High five. Woo! Okay, we were dressed on Monster Mountain Dew and popcorn.
And gum.
Oh, that's it.
And move over.
You're hogging my screen.
You're hogging my space. Disgusting.
I'd be comfortable if you get off me.
Welcome to another one of our crazy episodes of I don't even know. Freaking
it's the camera.
Seriously. This camera's gonna die again because it's been dying like 30 times today.
Cause my batteries are crappy.
I know. We took like 60 pictures and that's why. Yeah, it was more than 60. And we did a 43-minute video.
But the cool thing is my memory card takes more than the highest number I could think of. 1.
Awesome.
That's so cool. It's like number 1 just pops in my head.
Did you know that?
Did you know I have to pee?
Not anymore, apparently. There's a stain on my carpet. Sorry. It's green. And yellow. And blue.
Oh my god, I have blue pee. Dude, that'd be so freaking awesome to have blue pee.
And it's red.
Shh, I got cotton candy pee. I get goosebumps.
I knew. Now it's in the middle. I don't even know what we're doing.
I do. Well then.
Who wants to hear the devil laugh? She said my boyfriend's ugly.
I did not.
You said he looked ugly.
That's what I did.
Why? He looked cute.
Dude, I know that dude. He's pretty ugly.
No, he's not. He's so freaking
That's
nice.
a unibrow. He looks like my ex-boyfriend's brother, Hunter.